So as you know, we have a new 2S tiller, and we found out that the drive shaft was too short. So today, we're going to fix that problem. So we're going to fix our drive shaft that was too short for our new 2S tiller. This is the old one. I'm pretty sure the previous owner, it was too short for them too. So I don't know if you can see, but see how it's raised right there? It was slapping around in there because it was only engaged by like this much, which it should have at least 3 inches of engagement for safe operation. We're going to need, obviously, the new piece, which thank goodness for our local dealership, because to buy the piece that is on the tiller, you have to buy the clutch, the U-joint, and everything all together, and it's like $400. You can order this piece yourself, but it only comes in 5-foot sticks, and it's well over $100. My wonderful local dealership cut me a piece about 16 inches off of their scrap pile, and it only cost $34. We will need a new spring pin, just because I don't trust once you start pressing this one out, it might get deformed, and it just might not hold properly. There are a few methods you can go about doing this. This will work, but I do not recommend it because it will probably be hard to hold on to and probably hurt your hands. This is obviously an air hammer with a smoothing bit on it. It will work. But trying to hold a punch or a piece of steel or whatever you're going to use, and this vibrating with the power it has, it's just probably not going to work out well. Most common method, good old hammer and a punch. But we are fortunate enough to have a press, and we're going to use our press. I got Thomas here. He's on the camera right now, but he's going to be doing all the work, so he can learn some things. So we'll get it set up in the press and see what we can do. One thing I forgot to mention, as I've never done this before, I'm not sure if this shaft is pressed in here. I doubt it is because it has a roll pin in it. But we're going to go ahead and stick this piece in the freezer. It's a little trick for trying to put interference fits or press fits together. You freeze one part, you make the other one warm or hot, and they slide right together. So we're going to stick this in the freezer.
Alright, so here we are at our drill press. We're going to be putting...
It's not a drill press.
It's not a drill press.
It's a hydraulic press.
Hydraulic press. We're going to be putting this here. I'm going to hold it. And we're going to put this here.
Make sure you keep it straight. Got the supervisor on the job. Hi, Dalton. Oh, don't blind him with the flashlight. You're about to bottom out. Whenever it gives you hard resistance, stop. Loosen it. Oh, jeez. We need to get a little longer piece of steel here. Hillbillying it up slightly. This is a tent stake. Punch was slightly too short. It was bottoming out before the pin was all the way out. So Thomas is going to get back to work. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, that's not gonna work. Done bent it.
Oh, dang.
Release it.
You better watch your toes. Hey, Dalton.
So we're going to finish this off with the old-fashioned method here. Dude, you're going to have to hit it harder than that. And there it is. I was hoping to avoid this, but we are going to have to take this universal apart because that seems to be pressed in there along with the security of a roll pin. So we're going to get set up and disassemble this U-joint so we can get this part in the press. After struggling quite a bit, we were finally able to get the universal apart. Because of course the shaft isn't just going to slide out of there. I was able to do it without losing any of the needles or damaging the caps because there's nothing wrong with this. This cap stayed in there, but that's okay. Now I have to press that shaft out of there. So we'll see what happens. There it goes. Alright, so we were able to press that apart. We have the new shaft in the freezer. And we're going to heat this up more. So this will expand, the new shaft will shrink. You might not even have to press it. It might just slide right together. So we'll see what happens. Thomas is putting more heat to it. Our nice frozen new shaft.
The paint's melting.
Alright.
I didn't like the color anyway.
If you're worried about the paint, you can do it from the inside.
I'm not worried about the paint.
You're not worried about the paint? Good thing about this is this only goes together one way. You can see these are round over here, and that one, and this one is flat.
Oh, sorry.
That's right. Got a little warm. Our shaft is the same way. 2 rounds and a flat. I think it's cold. Line up the. It's got 2 rounds and a flat.
Oh.
Right. Alright. So we are gonna have to put it on the press. I'm not gonna beat on it with a hammer.
Oh.
Yep, we're all the way in.
Nice.
Just like that. Now we have to drill holes for our spring pin.
Nice.
So Thomas gets to use the drill press. We are set up on our ancient but functioning drill press. 5/16. Little cutting oil. That's right, I put a thing in there. A little cutting oil again. There we go. Fire it up. Like I said, moderate pressure. Let the drill bit do the work. You went through, right? Broke through? Yep, sure did. Here we go with hole number 2. Hold it down, dude. Hold it. Don't put too much pressure on the drill bit. Nice. Push this new roll pin in. Oh, whoa. Not sure if I'm going to be able to hold this. I don't think I'm going to be able to. Hold on, stop. Stop. Stop.
He'll belly it up.
Still not quite right. That's too much.
Yeah. Bruh. Really hillbilly. Oh, is it too much? No, it's
Oh man, this is the only thing that sucks about presses.
not accurate.
No, it's just. And don't damage the pin.
Great. Okay.
That shouldn't be that hard to drive in there. Should've done this from the beginning. Keep going.
What do I need to punch?
Yep.
Oh.
A little bit more. Stop. There it is. Just engaging both sides of the U-joint. So now time to put this universal back together that gave me so much trouble coming apart. But we were successful without any damage. So Thomas, if you can tap this cap Okay. More. Gotta get it past that circlip groove.
Oh, okay.
Oops. Oh no. Alright. Just tap it and check it. Tap it and check it. You just need it past that groove, remember? That's not even showing the groove yet.
Where's the groove?
You'll see it when you get past it. Keep going. Getting closer. Almost. A little bit more. Alright. Get that circlip in there now.
These?
Yep. Nicely done. I don't think I really want to hammer on this so the rollers don't fall out.
Oh, okay.
So I guess back over to the press. Go ahead. Just go with your hand.
Oh, okay.
Shouldn't take that much pressure. Alright, release it. I need the tool for that. Thomas and I ended up breaking a bearing cap for our tiller drive shaft. I thought we had it. One of the needle bearings fell down, and as we were pressing in the bearing cap, it blew out the back of the bearing cap. So, went to the local Rural King and picked up a Wessler replacement. Just like the picture there, you have to know the diameter of your end cap and the total compressed length of your cross bearing to get the correct replacement. I got the bores all cleaned up, ready to go. Hopefully I have better luck than the last time. I'm going to use a little dry heat to heat these up, so hopefully I can just push them in by hand and don't have to do any pressing or beating. So we'll get set up and see how it goes. Wish me luck. So with these snap rings, these are stamped. One side is sharp and one side is smooth. I always put the sharp edge towards the force or the load. So in this case, it'll try and come out this way. So I'm going to put the sharp edge up. You always want to make sure it's fully seated in the groove, which I believe it is. I'll have to push it down a little bit more. Well, I think I did it. Again, sharp edge towards the load. Smooth, sharp. Don't think that's seated. Get this down. A little bit more. See if I can find something to fit exactly in there. Just need a little bit more. So once again, I'm trying to mess things up. Couldn't figure out why it was so tight. But the kit, I guess it's made for several different size joints. It came with 2 different. I thought they were just extra. But these circlips are thinner than these by a good bit, actually. And I couldn't get them. You saw me struggling to get them locked in. But I put the thinner ones in there and they popped right in there. Joint's nice and loose now. Unlike before when it was really tight. So we shall continue on. There it is, finally. I'll tell you what, I hope I never have to do that again. That was a struggle. Why don't they make them like automotive style with caps that you can unbolt? The shaft will never turn faster than a drive shaft on a vehicle. I mean, it's 540 RPMs. I'm pretty sure all my vehicles idle faster than that. Let alone at 55 mile an hour going down the road. That was crazy. Like I said, I hope I never have to do that again. Which hopefully I won't. It's tiller, it's only going to be used once or twice a year. Keep it packed with grease, keep it clean. Hopefully it'll last. I do not want to do that again. Well, since that took so long, we will hook it to the tiller tomorrow. Hopefully it dried out a little bit out there. It rained pretty good the past 2 days. Except for today. It was very windy today, but it's cold. It didn't seem to dry out a whole lot, but we'll see. We'll hook it up, play with it, just to use it. Then once Thomas gets back from vacation, we'll get his garden tilled up. Hopefully it's not too late. It is early November, but we'll see.